Lily Talks English!
Hi friends, it's me, Lily. Today we are going to meet friends from different countries.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Hello friends, my name is Emir. I'm from Turkey.
Emir has short hair, and his hair is curly and brown. Short, curly, brown hair. And look at his eyes. Emir has brown eyes.
Hello, friends. My name is Anya. I am from Russia.
Anya has long hair, and her hair is straight and blonde. Long, straight, blonde hair, and she has blue eyes.
Hi, my name is Kofi. I am from Nigeria.
Kofi has short hair, and it is curly and black. He has dark brown eyes.
Hi, my name is Anusha. I am from India.
Anusha has very long hair, and her hair is straight. Long, straight, black hair. Anusha has brown eyes.
Hello friends. My name is Isla. I am from Ireland. Nice to meet you.
Isla has long hair, and her hair is straight and red. Long, straight, red hair. Isla has green eyes.
Hello, my name is May. I am from China.
Look at her hair. May has short hair, and her hair is straight and black. Short, straight, black hair. And she has beautiful brown eyes.
Can you guess which friend I'm going to visit?